Hello everyone, greetings. Today I bring a different kind of video. Wow, I think I've done something similar before, but this one will be very helpful for those who are just starting this market, and also for those who already have some experience but still don't fully understand many things. One very important point to address is psychotrading. The emotional side, this part is very personal. It doesn't depend on the telling you to do this or not. So each person is different. Well, you know that if you weren't the same, everyone would make the same decisions, and therefore like the same failures on same results. So I'm going to recommend a list of 5 books. There are many books out there, many they recommended, but I mentioned only 5 for keeping in mind. The first one is someone that mentioned it during his live session, and then I found the topics very interesting. Is the new trend for living by Alexander Elder. This book emphasizes many things: risk management, how to take trades, chart analysis. It's interesting because it's covered by psychologics, discipline, tools, risk control, and trade management. All right, it's important that you read it. Don't worry about how many pages it has. You can start by reading chapters, but even 10 pages per day. All right. So another interesting book, if you remember, that's Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book is also focused on the emotional side and discuss bases that influence financial decisions. Remember, it's not really about the specific market trade, guys. You might trade several markets. It may people do that. Okay, so a specific market and generation results from this. So the other one, there are other books, guys, that's very good. And here I mentioned what is considered 2-in-1. Many people say this book is very good, and I agree. It's interesting and talk about in trading. The zone is disciplined trader, with what I consider as one. The author is Mark Douglas. This book helped me with trade mindset and emotion control. Many people say trading is the zone excellent. I read it, and from my point of view, it wasn't good as some others. Alright? It's highly recommended, especially for those who are just starting markets like binaries, forex, crypto, and the other. If one, you can use some AI to create resume for you about this one, like a summary. Alright? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Another important book is this, The Chain Paradox by Steve Peters. Even though the name might be funny, but it's a great book because it's truly helping you understand the mind, logic as emotional, and this is a key factor in trading. If you know, that's all the books and the recommendation focus on psychotrading. All right, that's very, very important. And lastly, second last, because I mentioned one more, The Winning Mind, Mastering Psychotrading by Eduardo Chaplin. This book focuses on mastering emotions to success in trading, meaning the emotion aspect. Alright? Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And a book I always recommend, it's with a Think Excellent, it's Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book, guys, is very good and offers different methods for learning. Alright, that'll help you to create a trading plan based on the habits and tools like risk management. If you combine Atomic Habits with Phoenix Seminar, a series of videos available online, around 10 hours divided into several models, you really understand how to practice bicycle trading. What should I do when I feel anxious? Should I do when I'm not emotionally stable? All right. These books, especially Atomic Habits, together with the Phoenix Seminar, help improve many areas of life, guys. Trading like this. Trade is life. I've said this before. You have a good emotional encounter in life. It will help and learn training. Many people don't think this way, but in my opinion, it's extremely valuable because you learn from it. Okay, so that's basically book recommendations, really topics. If you like this video, I invite you to like it, subscribe to the channel, and so on. This is mainly an information on video, guys. I've made similar videos before, but I sometimes focus on just one book. But here I want to give you several options so you can choose what is work best for you. Okay, remember, that's everything. It's around about the psychology about risk management. That's important. Okay, and always that connect to the emotional. Okay, so I have said everything important. I'm signing off right now, so see you in the next video, guys. I also invite you to daily live sessions on the channel. Have a great day. See you later, and I wish good profit, good operations. All right, and that's it. Thanks so much for that. See you. Have a good one. Bye.